Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
I am an Afro-pop musician, so it's kind of an honor to be here tonight to perform in front of you all. Thank you so much, Mr. DJ. So I'm gonna do this song, and for us who know it, we can sing together, and for those who don't, please just listen to what I'm gonna say. Mr. DJ. So this song is more of a prayer, so I hope you're gonna understand what I'm gonna say. Listen. First of all, let me say grace. You're the one who made me. Oh, you deserve all the glory. Says I'm a wanga, so kumbati wanga. Muziki wa nilubaba. Oh, so I give all the praise. Penda pake, nima sochera, nima loelela baba, but you bring me back. Oh, penda pake, nima sochera, nima loelela baba, you bring me back. I said, oh no, nanga iwa oh no, ome muli kwa nisa baba, mveranga hello. for tonight is called Trailer, and we're singing to say Mwina mwake moyo ugana yambani matrailer kudidizita kuona mume ugana endela mugada libataga manyo iyo mazembela mikango njila zopezela chuma kisamajide kuona zilango mugada ikanyali mwina kisamakwele mbai mwina kiziwa ziwa ndani mwina pakati panza tumwina achuruga mafuso funa mayango onzeluza tepa tifuna mayango ndedifuna chupampawa kiziliziwa mamalo kutilika mayandikira kisizaoneza chilendo mumalola tivutike kisara pambana maondo watu wasupuke musadati yake mumaona ngati mwina mumachitadana inde kudikalisi ndivutika singachidandastando chifunilo chano chichitike matendele makupe diyambike dinunoka mutamanike kawazanga zonse munaseze ndinu. Mr. DJ, give me the song.
He's young, he's energetic, as well as talented. Ladies and gentlemen, he comes from Unchisi as well. His name is Driamo.
Osaiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.